How much sewage does a sewage plant need to treat every day? How much of the pollution we know is hidden in the wastewater? If water quality could be automatically monitored, would many problems be easier, such as sewage mix discharge water standards? The appearance of monitoring factor analyzer makes water quality monitoring easy. Probest Water Quality Online Analyzer can carry out continuous automatic online monitoring of a number of indicators of wastewater discharge. At the same time, according to the key monitoring factors of sewage plant inlet and outlet, corresponding water quality online monitoring solutions can be matched. So, what are the main elements of our project? There are some of Probest machines: total nitrogen, total phosphorus, ammonia nitrogen, and COD analyzer. Used in conjunction with your sampler, it can monitor the water quality of inlet and outlet of sewage treatment plant in real time. So, how do these big tables look in the field? Let's go and have a look.
Hello everyone, I am now at a sewage treatment plant in Shaanxi province, where Probest meters have all been installed. Let's go and see. Our water analyzer machines are ammonia nitrogen, COD, total phosphorus, total nitrogen analyzer. The machines have all passed China's environmental certification. Probest colorimetric analyzers have three advantages. The first is self-R10 valve. Its wear coefficient is relatively high. The second is with a special reference method. Its stability is relatively strong. The third is the plunger pump. Its precision is relatively high.
Since the update of the Probest instrument, no matter from the use of equipment, maintenance, and actual usage, compared to the previous great improvement, contact Probest.
记得点赞关注哦。